For a big car, this car handles like a sports car. I mean, this is way more agile than a Rolls Royce. I mean, this is for a driver enthusiast who likes to drive and be driven, but also likes the sportiness of it. All right, guys, I was just inside the BMW, and I can't believe the tech, the feel of it. Right when you sit in, you feel like you're in a luxury sports seat, but also with a whole side of a couch. To this, you can stream from your phone. This is literally a television on wheels. Let's get behind the wheel of this and let's show you guys a little bit of the features on the interior. That plush leather, it's a beautiful brown, guys. I mean, altogether this car is about $150,000. Brake, that's what happens. So if I do it again, watch. Whoa, watch this. I mean, come close. Uh-oh. Psh. Open all doors. Let's try that. Whoa. Oh my. Come inside. You guys will see this nice plush leather interior. Got your armrest right here. Beautiful. Back in the day, you guys used to have a phone right there. Nice volume knob. Check this out. That with my finger, watch. Niggas going outside, driving truck, hang with a bag. Only fuck you know see shit. These US bitches kind of bad. Horn's really nice. That's a beautiful horn. Enough of hanging out here in the front seat. I want to go check this big screen out behind us and show you guys all the features in it. I didn't bring my Xbox, but you can hook your Xbox up to this. So maybe we'll come back and hook it up. We're sitting in the back of the 760 back here, and it is just luxury. You can put your USB Type-C charging outlet right there. You can adjust these rear seats up and down. Oh, we got a neighbor flying by here. You got your rear shades that you can put up and down. Let's show the blinds. You can move that back blind down. I can move this shade back. And then I think I can shade the whole thing. I can close this shade up here. Limo status. So let's close everything all up. Wow. It's practically blacked out back here. You can't even see who is back here, man. I'm Tony Montana back. Anything you want back here. This is where you want to be. Let's see. The setting station here. This pops out. You got your cup holders along with your 2 more USB Type-C charging. Let's push all that back together. And then another cool feature that it has is, let's see, seats. I got the massage. Let's do the adjustments here. All right, guys, let me show you a little bit about and adjust the interior lights. You can put a blue tint, a purple tint, a pink tint. Let's go back to a nice little blue. All right, guys, that was the conclusion of this BMW 760. I'm going to tell you, I'm super impressed with the technology. The drive of it is second to none. I love cars like this. They take a lot of weight and then they make it drive just so perfectly like it's handling on rails. The luxury in this car is perfect fit for any CEO or executive that wants to be driven around, or great for those kids too, you know, those kids going to soccer practice. I mean, God, if I grew up in a car like... All right, guys, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell notification so you don't miss that next video drop. I'm Drew Doan. We just reviewed the 760i. You guys are going to love it. Be sure to check the description.